All right, today I'm in the Gardenia floor plan here in Twin Silos, a neighborhood filled with awesome amenities. Today I wanted to tell you 3 cool things about this floor plan and one way that you can save up to $70,000 in payments on this home. Stay tuned until the end and I'll tell you all about it. The first feature I want to tell you about is the way we design the office is a little bit different. Normally you get about 150 square feet for an office, but so many people tell us it's such wasted space. Everybody's on mobile devices, everything's much smaller, and so this is a tiny little pocket office tucked in right off of the side of the great room and kitchen, so you can keep an eye on the kids while they're doing homework or if they're browsing the internet. It's right here next to the living room, a great spot, but you can still hide it away if it's a mess and you have friends over. All right, the second feature I want to tell you about is how we designed this plan to help get you through the zombie apocalypse. You're probably wondering, what am I talking about? Well, if we have a zombie apocalypse, you're going to need to be able to store a lot of food, and check this pantry out. This thing is amazing. There is so much space in here. You will be able to stock up and survive the zombie apocalypse with no problem. You are welcome. All right, the third feature that I wanted to share with you is we have thought about storage for you, and what a great space this is. We call it the drop zone, and right when you come in from the garage, here's the spot. You got 5 coat hooks, you got all this storage, because we found that moms have told us that one of the main jobs they have is answering the question, honey, where's my, or mom, where's my? And so there's a spot for everybody to put their stuff so you don't have to answer that question anymore. You're welcome. All right, now I want to tell you about the incredible incentive we're running. This is the best incentive we've had in the 35+ year history of Shaw Homes. Right now, this home has an incentive of $30,000 that you can use a couple of different ways. If you're paying cash, we'll just take it off the price of the home. If you are going to finance, we can use it towards closing costs and buying down your interest rate. Now, what does that mean for you? We are actually going to buy down your interest rate so far that it's going to end up making the payment on this home the same payment that you would have on a home that's priced $70,000 below this home. You heard me right, you're going to have the payment of a home $70,000 below the price of this home because of that rate. And the cool thing is it's locked in for the entire 30 years of the mortgage, and not just for the first year or two like some of the builders are doing with that teaser introductory rate. So call us today. We'd love to get you into this home or any one of our other move-in ready homes.